Picking up where we left off at, we're doing the solve each equation or inequality, show work by hand. Okay, first of all, we would need to subtract 3 on both sides here. So we had an absolute value of 2x minus 7 is equal to 5. So now we would take this as 2x minus 7 equals 5, and 2x minus 7 equals negative 5. So we add 7 on both sides. 2x is equal to 12. Divide each side by 2 and x equals 6. Now we go here. We will add 7 on both sides. 2x will equal to 2. Divide each side by 2 and x equals 1. Now we're supposed to go back and make sure whether or not this works. So that'd be 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 7 is negative 5. We know the absolute value of negative 5 is 5 plus 3 is 8. So this right here is our final answer for A. Now we go here to B. Now this has an inequality, but we still started off the same. We add 4 on both sides. So we had an absolute value of x plus 2. And what I would do personally, I would just go ahead and make this an equal sign and make that 9. So then we have x plus 2 equals 9. X plus 2 equals negative 9. Subtract 2 on both sides, and x is equal to 7. Subtract 2 on both sides, and x is equal to a negative 11. So now we have to do our truth table. So we have negative 11 and 7. So we know we'll use negative 12 here, 0 here, and 8 here. Now when we put this in, negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10, so that's 10 minus 4, which is 6, which is greater than 5. So that's true. We put in 0 here, this would be 2 minus 4, which is negative 2, and it's not greater than 5, so that's false. Then we will put 8 in here, that would be 10 minus 4, which is 6, which is greater than 5, which is true. So our interval would be, I'll write it up here for lack of space, it'll be negative infinity to negative 12, and that's not included because that doesn't have the or equal sign. And this union, it'll go from 7 to infinity. And we're done. That is the final answer. If you have any other questions about the review, please email me. Thank you.